Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question and thought, can I really trust this answer? Or maybe you've searched for information online and spent hours opening different websites trying to find the right answer. The good news is, AI can help you do research much faster. But if you use it the wrong way, it can also give you incorrect information. So in this video, I'll answer one simple question. How can professionals use AI for research without getting inaccurate information? Let's get started. Welcome to FutureSkill Hub. This channel is made for students, professionals, freelancers, and anyone who wants to learn modern skills and use technology in a smart way. If you're new here, make sure you stay till the end because today's tip can save you a lot of time in your daily work. First, let's understand one important thing. AI is a helper. It is not a replacement for your thinking. Many people ask AI one question, copy the answer, and believe everything is correct. This is the biggest mistake. Instead, use AI as your research partner. For example, imagine you're preparing a presentation about cybersecurity. Instead of searching for everything manually, ask AI something like, give me the latest topics in cybersecurity. Within seconds, you'll get ideas that might take much longer to collect on your own. Now don't stop there. Read the answer carefully. If something looks important, check it using trusted websites or official sources. This simple habit helps you avoid incorrect information. Here's another smart way to use AI. Don't ask very short questions. Instead of asking, tell me about AI, ask, explain AI in simple English with real-life examples for beginners. The better your question is, the better your answer will be. This is called writing a good prompt. And learning how to write better prompts is one of the most valuable AI skills today. Another useful tip is this. Ask AI to organize information. For example, you can say, compare these two ideas in a table, or summarize this article into 5 important points, or explain this report in simple English. These simple tasks can save you a lot of time every day. But remember, never use AI without checking important facts. If you're writing a report, preparing for an interview, working on a business project, or making an important decision, always verify the information. AI is fast, but speed is not the same as accuracy. The smartest professionals don't trust AI blindly. They use AI, then they verify. That's what makes their work better. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose your manager asks you to prepare a report about electric vehicles. Without AI, you might spend 2 or 3 hours reading different websites. With AI, you can ask it to explain the topic, give you the latest trends, list the advantages and disadvantages, and even suggest a report structure. Now your research becomes much faster. After that, you simply verify the important facts from trusted sources. This saves time while keeping your work reliable. So, what did we learn today? Don't use AI as your final answer. Use it as your research partner. Ask clear questions. Use AI to organize information. And always verify important facts before using them. If you follow these simple steps, AI can help you work faster while making better decisions. I hope this video helped you understand how to use AI for research in the right way. In the next video, we'll explore another practical AI skill that can help you work smarter and save even more time. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FutureSkill Hub, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.